Abezimoto ezithutha abafundi bamashele ehhovisini likaNdunankulu wesifundazwe ngoba bekhala ngokungakhokhela kwabo nabathi kwenza kube nzima ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi njengoba bengenayo imali yokugcina izimoto zisesimeni esifanele neyokwetha uphethiloli.
Ukucela ungenelelo lwenkulumbuso kwezazinto zonke ezibhalwe kula memorandum eyona kisemqoka nephambili kuzo zonke ile yokungabhatalwa kwabathuthi babantwana scholar transport.
Even the very scholar transport vehicles that we're using now are not roadworthy because we have been disadvantaged. We are not able even to maintain those vehicles. You know, that's where we are right now. Even though we would like to carry on with ferrying the learners, but we are in a situation where we don't have money for fuel now.
UNdunankulu wesifundazwe uthi umnyango wezemali kuzolonke yiwona okumele ungenelele kulenselele.
You need national to come on board with this rural sort of intervention to really help us to capitalize more in intervention like this. We have seen the importance of scholar transport with improvement that we have seen with the education outcomes, that our kids are able now to progress very well.
Umnyango wezokuthutha wethembise ukuthi uzoqala ukukhokha mhla ziyikhombisa kuNhlaba.